We are going to discuss difference between taproot system and fibrous root system. We all know the taproot system present in dicot plant and fibrous root system present in monocot plant. See, this is what this plant is wheat actually. Can you see? It's a wheat plant. This wheat plant is monocot plant and it have fibrous root system. Can you see here, students? Fiber like structures, so it's fibrous root system. And this plant is mustard and it's a dicot plant and it have taproot system. So let's compare this taproot system with fibrous root system. This plant is cannabis sativa, and as it is easy to handle, it's also dicot plant which have taproot system. So let's compare taproot system and fibrous root system. So this is my fibrous root system, this is taproot system. Guys, taproot system, if you see the structure, it have you see here it have a thick elongated root. This thick elongated root is called primary root. Actually, during germination of seed of this plant, dicot plant, from the radicle of the plant, this primary root form. It's elongate and form. Radicle only directly elongate and form primary root. And then primary root have branching. That branchings are called secondary root. And secondary root have also branching. That's called tertiary root. Right, students? And then they have innumerous fine fibers like structure that called root hair. And its root hairs are major player who absorb even they collect a single molecule, even single molecules of water also from deep of the soil. This taproot system, this taproot system will comparatively withstand in drought more. If we compare with our fibrous root system, this fibrous root system cannot withstand in the drought, so the plant will die. But this taproot system, it can easily withstand. Fibrous root system present in monocot plant. Actually, the whole fibrous structures you see here, it's not developed from the radicle. At the time of germination, radicle will form primary root, and that primary root will degenerate soon. And after that, whatever parts of stem present here, the stem parts will from the stem part many fibrous branches, many fibrous root arise. And you see the growth of this fibrous root is more, not much elongated, but horizontal growth is more here. Right, students? So this is what my fibrous root system and this is what our taproot system. Now let's talk more about this taproot system. Basically, guys, when you will see the root system, when you will see this different regions of root here, so we can divide this root in different region. Like of course this particularly this root is broken, otherwise it should be till here. The tip of the root, it's called root cap. The root cap structure, as this tip of the root have to penetrate deep of the soil, so the tissue should not die, tissue should be protected. For that only tip of the root cap is present here. Right? Next a few millimeter away from the above this root system, this region. Can you see this region? This region is called region of meristematic activity. In this region, cell division is very fast. Cytokine hormone synthesis causes very fast cell division in this region, and the cells in this region, this meristematic regions, are smaller in size. Cell wall of the cell is thinner. Protoplasm is very thick in this region. Next to this region, see this region. This region is region of elongation. In this region of elongation, cells are quite developed, cells are quite mature, and cell division in this region only increases length of the root. Next to that, can you see this Webby region? This Webby region is the region of maturation. Here only secondary structures, tertiary structure, root hair, everything present, that absorbing lot of water and minerals from the soil. So maturation region is main functional region for this plant, for this root. Guys, For formation in this whole root system, auxin hormone is very important. Auxin hormone, in fact, auxin hormone synthesized all parts of this plant, but spatially it's all organ. It will be present in that region. It will be present in that region. The activity will be more in that region, that is toward the gravitational force. Like you see, this root is growing toward the gravitational force. So the region where gravitational force is pulling, in that region auxin will be more. So in this region auxin will be more, and that auxin only promote growth in this region, right? So auxin hormone have very important role in development of root and the growth of the root. And of course we have cytokine hormone also in the meristematic region, that causing fast cell division. One more difference I have to add, I was forgetting actually. In the taproot system, guys, in this taproot system, food can be stored. Like you see radish, you see carrot. In radish and carrot, lot of stored food can be stored there. Starch and all can be stored there. But here you see, here in fibrous root system, food cannot be stored. So this is what difference between fibrous root system, taproot system. Remaining we will see in next video. Bye.